In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and account.squarespace.com. We'll walk through starting from Squarespace's website builder, moving into your account dashboard, opening your site, navigating to pages, and adding a code block that creates a simple Show More and Show Less toggle. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to place the code so it appears exactly where you want on your page. Begin on Squarespace's Create Your Website page. This is the main starting point for building or managing a site. If you're already logged in, you'll see your profile icon in the upper corner. If not, you may be prompted to sign in before continuing. Once you're on that start page, click the profile icon. That opens up your account options, so you can jump into the area where your sites are managed. From the menu that appears, choose Account Dashboard. This takes you to account.squarespace.com, which is the centralized hub for all your sites and services. Here, look for the section labeled Website. Click on Website to view the list of sites tied to your account. Next, select the specific website you want to edit. Clicking the Site tile opens its configuration area and takes you into the site editor. You should now see the familiar left-hand navigation for your site. In that left-hand navigation, click Pages. This is where all your site's pages live: main navigation, footer navigation, and any unlinked pages. Find the page where you want to add the Show More and Show Less toggle. Open that page and click Edit. This puts the page into editing mode so you can add content directly on the canvas. Hover where you want the toggle to appear, above or below existing text, or inside a section devoted to FAQs or long descriptions. Click Add Block. You'll see the block library open up. In the search bar, type Code to quickly find the code block, or scroll until you see it. Select the code block to insert it into the page at your chosen spot. Inside the code block, type your code. If you already have it prepared, you can paste it in instead. The code should include the HTML for your text content, a link or button that says something like Show More and Show Less, plus the minimal CSS and JavaScript needed to toggle visibility. Keep the code clean and self-contained so it doesn't affect other parts of the page. Finally, with the code block selected, confirm it's set to code and paste the snippet that creates the Show More and Show Less link. Position looks good? That's it. The toggle is now part of your page and ready to use.